Happy Women's Day. I'm feeling extremely grateful to have empowered three amazing moms, a fashion designer, a salaried professional, and an English tutor to take charge of their finances, to be more proactive with their savings. Watch what they have to say. Miss Godri, an English tutor with 30 years of experience, is now determined to take charge of her finances. Hi Godhuli, I hope you enjoyed the session we had just now.
Yes, Rachna, it was a very informative and educative session for me. For someone like me who never really understood money, I never understood finances. Since my husband is a chartered accountant, he took care of things. He looked into my finances, he looked into my investments, and I really never bothered to find out what was happening with the money that I've earned over so many years. But then he takes good care of the money, so I was not really bothered. But now, since you've told me that I need to know what happens, because if God forbid some unforeseen incident happens, then I am at a loss. I don't know what to do. So now I think tonight once he comes back from office, I am going to sit with him, look through all his papers, bring out all his files and find out what is actually happening with all the money.
Oh, I'm really happy that you're going to take charge of your finances.
Yes, thank you so much, Rachna. Thank you so much.
Wishing you all the best for your coaching classes and for your investing.
Thank you.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to you too, and Happy Women's Day to all the women out there.
Arundhati Bakshi Dige is a seasoned communication professional who's been investing from past 10 years. She wanted to know if she was investing in right kind of mutual funds. Hi Arundhati, I hope you liked Grow Your Nest review of your existing mutual fund portfolio.
Yes, thank you so much, Rachna. It was very helpful. As a working woman and having been invested in the mutual fund for last 10 to 15 years, I somehow felt that my portfolio wasn't growing. Maybe I was not doing the right investment. And thanks to your guidance, now I have a little clearer picture of where I need to reallocate my fund and how I could grow my nest to be able to retire next 10 years.
I'm so glad that you liked our review, and I hope you will consider them and make the appropriate changes.
Absolutely.
On that note, wishing a very happy Women's Day and happy investing for future.
Thank you so much, Rachna. Same to you.
Thank you. Anisha Purswani is a fashion designer and founder of Expression Studio in Thane. She's been a consistent saver, but we suggested her to be little bit more aggressive with her savings and her investment portfolio. Hi Anisha, hope you liked the educational talk we had recently about investments.
Yes, Rachna, it was really wonderful, and thank you so much for coming over Expression Studio. It's very nice to have you over here, and I understood all the aspects you explained me about future investment, which is so necessary for every woman to do it so, and I'm definitely looking forward for investing.
All the best, Anisha. Wishing you very happy Women's Day, and I hope really do well in your business as well as in your savings.
Thank you so much.
If you want to know if you're taking right financial decisions with your savings, comment prosper below and we will get back to you. Let's celebrate women taking charge of their financial future. Share this video with the women you love. Happy investing and happy Women's Day.